So we're at Aviation Retail Direct, and in the surgery for this 747 made out of 10,000 matchsticks. Before we hang her from reception, we have to repair her and put her under a little bit of anaesthetic to repair this engine that has detached. So we're just putting the patient under now, all nice and quiet. Okay, let's get going then. So engine, glue, do I find this? The thing is, it's clear. Don't need a great deal of it because thank you, nurse. Okay. So you just got that little front edge lip there. It needs to go over the wing. So I think it should slide on rather than tape. Thank you. Okay, cut that bit. Attach the engine. Okay, we're going to leave that to set everybody out, back out. I'm going to leave it for a couple of hours.